Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming exactly why Google suspended your account. This narrows the fix. Sign and add accounts. Google. Calm and read the suspension notice. Note the reference ID and which services are blocked. Once done, collect required evidence like government ID, recent billing invoices, or tax forms such as Form 1099 when transactions or payment issues are involved. Make sure account recovery options are current. Secondary email and phone. This immediate preparation saves time and prevents rejections when you file an appeal. Now prepare your appeal deliberately. Open the official Google appeal form and paste the suspension reference ID at the top so reviewers can match records. Explain what happened in one clear paragraph, then list corrective actions and exact dates. Attach labeled scans or screenshots, make ID legible but redact unrelated sensitive numbers. Once uploaded, double-check file names and formats. Submit the appeal and note the case number. After submission, monitor the email you provided and check spam, because follow-up requests often arrive within 48-70. To finish recovery, watch for follow-up from Google and respond quickly. Supplying extra documents within 24 to 48 hours speeds resolution. If your first appeal is denied, don't stop. Identify the stated reason for denial, clarify any misunderstandings, and resubmit with stronger, time-stamped evidence. Make sure you describe fixes you implemented to prevent recurrence. If repeated appeals fail, escalate via Google support channels or an authorized partner. This often yields a human review. One troubleshooting tip. Keep a log of communications and timestamps to reference in future appeals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.